I'm Cody from Zhejiang Ono Machinery. I'm the foreign trade sales specialist of Ouyang Digital Printing Department. It's a great honor to have the chance to introduce our Rotary inkjet printing press to you today. And here it is. The max printing width is 436 mm and the max speed is 90 meters per minute. This press can reach 14 tons because we have equipped it with a heavy bottom plate to avoid affecting the printing due to shaking. Let's get to the unwinding part. It is very easy to operate. Just press the button and it will lift and lower for it to load or unload. To protect the print heads, there are brushes and vacuum cleaners before the printing to ensure the cleanliness of the paper. Now we have reached the most important part of the press, the print head. Firstly, the control board we apply is Meteor, the top class in the world. The print head we choose is Epson HD. The resolution can reach 1200 dpi. Two sets of print heads are listed. One is for front print and another one is for back print. And there are 26 print heads in one set and totally 52 print heads in color press. For mono-black printing press, there are 26 print heads and we can achieve 120 meters per minute because we have the double channel of the printing. The super fast speed. When printing stops, the print heads will return to moisturizer for vacuum moisturizing. We use the high-speed rip software based on the Harlequin core from Global Graphics. We can also achieve simultaneous printing and rip without affecting printing speed. A paper storage system is prepared before cutting. This ensures printing speed will not decrease when cutting stops for discharging the paper. The printed paper will be stacked and it will be discharged if we reach the set pages. Okay, this is a brief introduction of our Rotary inkjet printing press. If you want to know more details, please feel free to contact us and we will show more in person. See you!